I talked to phase 2, and I used a caliper. So make sure to check in the comments of the video. I have a digital caliper that I use to measure the actual diameter of all the pipes involved. So I measured all of my hose clamps, the 4 that go on my 2 intake pipes, and 1 each on each of my air intakes, and ordered from phase 2. Was able to get these clamps, and I want to show you how to install them. Now this instruction is going to work on really any F80 car, so that's the M2C, M3, M4. But really, when it comes down to it, the process is exactly the same for your specific car. You're going to want to measure, order, and then install. But let me walk you through what it would be like here on my M2. All right, so it may be possible to do this work with the strut bar out, but I'm going to do so in this case not only to make it a little more obvious on what we're doing, but a little bit easier to get to. So if you find a way to do this without removing the strut bar, that's fantastic. It's just going to be a lot tighter space to work with. But in removing the strut bar, the very first thing you want to do is take off these upper plastic covers. So you're going to pull out the plastic pin on the corner right there and pull that expanding rivet out. And then you've got quarter turn 10mm plastic nuts across the top. So quarter turn them to move the little lever. And then these covers will come off. Now, as always, on this side, you've got your positive battery post. I'm going to get a rubber glove to cover the post once I have that exposed, because when you pull this out, you want to be really careful you don't hit your positive battery post. Now, lastly, the grommet on this side will lift, so you can just take it out. There are 2 13mm bolts here and here. Your car, if it's an M3 or an M4, you might have 3 bolts up here at the top. But there's 1, 2 13mm, 1, 2 in the front. I have a little bit different bolts. I'll speak to those in just a second. There are 2 short 13mm across the front and the 13mm in the back. So once you pull these covers off, you pull those 13mm bolts on both sides, lift the rubber grommet on that side, and slide the whole thing out.